What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. In today's video, I will show you a brand new way to build a profitable list with less hassle in no time. This product is from Karl Schuckert and Faraz Ahmed, which will be launched on 29 October. And as you can see on the front of the sales page, discover the cutting-edge software that turns hordes of visitors into raving fans while making it easy for you to profit. You won't believe how easy it is, and we're going to test this. This digital interactive list for lead generation software I'm going to explore today. I will show you the sales page. I will go into the members area that you can see how it really works. I will talk about bonuses and my recommendation about this product. I'm Dr. Lundi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training and reviews like this to help you create and grow your online business. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell not to miss any of my forthcoming videos. So let's look at the sales page of Kuicklist. The sales page gives you a good idea of the product and what you can expect. So this is Karl Schuckert, the guy who's launching this product. If we look at the sales page, it's a nice clean sales page and there are no misleading statements on this page. What you see is what the software offers you. It generates, lead and build a list for any niche using interactive digital checklist in 3 simple steps. You will choose your design. You will edit it, which you can do easily as you want to make a checklist fitting your niche and your audience. You want to make this your own and add your own spin to be unique with what you're sending out to your audience. Now the sales page gives you a lot of good information. So how can you put the odds of list building success back in your favor again in any niche? The software will help you to do this. Creating the special checklist, landing page and managing it all in one place. It's all done for you. I'm just going to rush through this as you want to see the members area. So it's fully customizable checklist design. All your checklists are mobile responsive. There's already 10 checklists that you can just click and start. Self-hosting, there's a plugin for WordPress to make it easier for you. Integrate easy with your favorite email. You have some landing pages and you can just change it to fit your needs. Clone your checklist. You have the HTML downloads, progress tracking. This is very important. Landing page opt-in. Tracking data. Now we will go into the members area and you will see what I'm talking about. I am now inside the dashboard of Kuicklist and here is where you can create your folders. So you first check and then I just make test. We create a new checklist. So let's see which one will we choose. Okay, let's take this one. This is how the checklist look. They have checklists that's already done, but you can work on this and you can edit your checklist and you can add sections. Here you can also see if you put on the plus, you can see what it's all about and you get more information. You can edit it, you can change it, you can even add a video. If you put the URL of the video, you can add a checklist with a video, which I think is excellent. Short videos are always engaging. So here it gives you more detail about what you want to do. What I like about this, the tracking bit that I told you, as you continue with the track list and as you continue with your tasks, you can see, look at the red, how it completes and how it shows you where you are with your tasks. So that's also a good way of keeping me and my audience engaged. They would love to have this. The other thing, if you log out and you come back, then you don't have to log in again because it already recognizes that you already busy in this and you can directly come into this link. Here you can see how it's completing. Okay, let's reset and it goes back to 0, and there's quite a lot of things that you can do. I'm now going to go to the opt-in form, and this is how it looks, and here is the landing page that goes with. So even the landing pages, you have options of 4 different landing pages, and you can also change and edit your landing page and make it to fit your niche. There's a checklist, the opt-in form, the pop-up, the fonts, the colors you can change, and you can also add your webhook, Facebook pixel, your tag manager code from Google, third-party analytic code, and segmate that goes with your Facebook Messenger. Okay, let's see. Now we're back here. Let's see. There is quite a lot, 10 done for you already, checklists that you can use, and they're quite good. I went into them and I like all of them. But if you need anything else, you have to upgrade. So let's look the expert guide for your first profitable business. Host on Kuicklist. So here you see, this is the URL of the checklist. So let's see if we go into cognito mode, what will we get? And here you see you can get the checklist and you can download your copy, and here is your checklist. Excellent. Great, powerful tool, I would say. So we're now in a checklist and I'm just marking off, and see it's already showing as I mark off my progress. So let's go in. You click, it shows you also, it's all about choose a profitable category. That one is off. And as market research, you do market research, ask a critical question, so you can see about the critical question and decide what product to create, figure out the market demand. So let's see if we open it. Yeah, we can see a little bit more about this. Then we choose a way to create our product. As you saw, we closed cognito mode, but it still kept our progress and it didn't delete the progress. So I'm quite happy, and I think this is a great checklist and a great tool to have. This is the URL to your checklist. It will be hosted on Kuicklist, but you can change it and host it on any of your own websites. If you have websites and you want to integrate it, there is ways to integrate it. So you can use what fits you the best. You can even embed it. Okay, so we're in the dashboard again, and the tool does what it says it will do. The software works, everything is there, and I think this is quite a good tool, and it will support my business. Here you can see help, support. I'm always looking for help and support, and they have a great support. Getting started, there's a lot of information and how to help you, how to start, what to do if you don't understand. It will show you, and this is excellent education to make sure that you understand how this product works and how to use it. I like the tool. Now we're back in the sales page, and there's a demo to watch. I'm happy that I could share this with you. And it doesn't matter in which market you are, in affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and. Kuicklist is 100% cloud-based, so you never have to install anything. You can reach it from anywhere. It must be a responsive list, and that's what these guys did. There's a lot of bonuses that you can check out, and it's not just shiny objects. I'm using this product myself, and I would not promote something that I don't believe in. If you want to try it out, they have a 14-day money-back guarantee. So why not sign up, try it out, and see if this will fit your needs. Frequently asked questions, like usual. As you know me, I'm looking for training, and there's a lot of training. Now we're looking at the Kuicklist OTOs, the upgrades. The front-end product costs $37 for the Kuicklists, and then the mini list, if you want that included, you will pay $67. Then there's one upgrade for $99, the Kuicklist Pro Power Pack. And if you don't want the whole complete pack with the access, with the checklist, with cloning and the branding conditioned all in, then you can downgrade and just get the Kuicklist Lite extended for $67. Then we have a monthly $19.97 per month or $99 per year that you can pay to join the club with 25 done for you checklists. If you don't want to join the club and you just want your checklist, then you can downgrade to $67 and you will get the checklist, but you're not joining the club. A new software tool to build a responsive list using a lead magnet? Who have ever thought of this? So let me summarize what I just told you and showed you. This is a very powerful software tool. The software works. It's easy to use. Beginner friendly, if I can use the words. This tool is unique and different. This will improve your audience engagement. Internet business need this to grow faster. And no big money investment. It's affordable, it's a powerful tool, and I would say I'll give it a 9 out of 10. If you have an email list and no one opens your emails, then this is a tool for you. My suggestion, start with the front end. If you have the money, buy the first OTO, the upsell, because this is the two things that you will need if you want to grow your online business. But the second OTO, being part of the template club and the rest, this I would say you don't need. Check out the links below and sign up using my link to get your free bonuses. I'm Dr. Lundy from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, not to miss any of my forthcoming videos. See you inside the training on the other side of the screen.